Welcome to the instructions video for the Piston Speed Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you calculate the mean piston speed in reciprocating engines, which is a critical parameter for understanding engine wear, bearing loads, and overall performance limits. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter two key values. First, input the stroke length of your engine in millimeters. This is the distance the piston travels from top dead center to bottom dead center. For our example, let's enter 90 millimeters. Next, enter the engine speed in RPM, revolutions per minute. We'll use 6,000 RPM as our example. Once you click Calculate, the tool will display your mean piston speed. This value tells you how fast your piston is moving on average, which is crucial for determining if your engine is operating within safe limits. Most street engines should stay below 20 meters per second for longevity. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.